Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Esddi Lightning Kit. Oh, adjustable, maximum size 2.6 meters to 3 meters with the background support system. 3 colors are available and in the set. The backdrop fabric photo studio softbox set. Continues the umbrella light stand with portable bag, etc. It's a full set, good first starter kit for the professional home studio, including everything basic what we need to start. Easy to set up and easy to use. We have 3 background colors. Ooh, background colors with adjustable stand, length extendable from 26 inches up to 102 inches. Ooh, wide from 60 inches up to 180 inches, 70 to 110 inches in green, white, black, cotton backdrop. Ooh, that's really awesome because it's for a special use. It's for chroma key. This is a visual effect and a post-production technique for compositing, layering 2 images or video streams together based on color hues. This technique has been used in many fields to remove a background from the subject, such as a photo or video, particularly the new casting, motion picture, and video game industries. A color range in the foreground footage is made transparent, allowing separately filmed background footage or a static image to be inserted into the scene. And this is possible with that set if you can do that post production for you with your, for example, Apple iPad Pro or with your computer as well. No problem with it. It is the green screen technology. Of course, it's blue screen and magic pink available too, but here is green screen. The chroma keying can be done with background of any color that are uniform and distinct, but green and blue backgrounds are more commonly used because they differ most distinctly in hue from human skin colors. No part of the subject being filmed or photographed may duplicate the color used as the backing. Otherwise, the part may be erroneously identified as part of the backing. So take care, but it's no problem. You can control that by your own. Here it is. We have black screen, we have white screen, and a green screen. Awesome. We have 2 soft boxes, including 20-inch to 28 inches. Continuous lighting softbox with stand, minimal 27 inches, maximum 80 inches, with E27 bulb holder, perfect for pottery, custom finishing, naturally softened light streams, and removes shadow for perfect shooting. 1010 voltage photography bulb can be replaced to other bulbs according to our voltage. 2, no problem. The softbox are really awesome to use because they bring you so much better performance. The softbox is a type of photographic lighting device, one of a number of photographic soft light devices. All the various soft lights types created even and diffused light by transmitting light through some scattering material or by reflecting light off a second surface to diffuse the light. The best known form of a reflecting source is the umbrella light, which is including in the set too, where the light from the bulb is bounced off the inside of the metallized umbrella to create the indirect soft light. And this, you have 2 softbox and 2 umbrella lights in that set. The side and the back of the box are lined with a bright surface, an aluminized fabric surface or an aluminum foil, to act as an efficient reflector. In some commercials available models, the diffuser is removable to allow the light to be used alone as a flood light or with an umbrella for reflection. And this is here the same. You can choose what you are going to attach. You can make this flood light option, or you can use the umbrella reflector, or you can use both of them because you have 2 in a set. 2 umbrella and 2 soft boxes. Really awesome. Then the bulbs comes with a nice temperature. The nice temperature of the bulbs is like daylight. Really awesome. But now let's take care of the 2 umbrellas. The 2 umbrellas are 33 inches diameter lightning umbrellas that diffuse light. It reads shadows, it makes model portraits and product shooting softer and more delicate. Get either lightning effect by matching with a common softbox or flash umbrella head, 180 degrees adjustable. Supply after and softer light for specific corners. And there is in the box a reflector too. This is really awesome because so you can aim your spot where you like. It's really easy to adjust. Easy. And the color temperature of these nice and good bulbs, which is installed there, are like daylight. Okay, it is the quantity of the bulbs are 4 times 85 watt. This is strong and good light, and it comes with the color temperature. This is a light surface. It's the temperature of an ideal black body radiator. The radiator's light are color comparable to that of the light source. The color temperature is a characteristic of visible light that has important applications in lighting, photography, videography, publishing, manufacturing, astrophysics, horticulture, and more. And here it's better choose that you have a good light spot, and you can categorize the different lighting. For example, 27,000 K is clear blue Polaroid sky, and here this is like an daylight and overcast a little bit, and this is enough because we are on the temperature which is like daylight but not so brighten up, and this is the right color temperature for your set at home, for your set in shootings and etc., for movie making, for photography, etc. And why we will choose the ESDDI? Because ESDDI is specialized in photography equipment, such as photography lighting kits, camera tripods, camera flash, lens, pouch, and other accessories. They are committed to build up a brand based on high quality product and customer experience. Always provide us with perfect photography equipment, and we can just enjoy the photograph art. And that's right. This is the second set I bought because ESDDI is really nice. It makes a nice price and a nice quality. It works. And we have 20 inches to 28 inches reflector softbox. The softbox window is made of high temperature resistant materials. Avoid the effect of excessive temperature. The softbox provides sufficient brightness for photography. The adhesive diffuser cloth, integral support, and hook make assembly it really quickly. Then we have a 180 degrees adjusted umbrella head. 2 of them. The diameter of the umbrella is 33 inches and the length of the handle is 21 inches. The wide translucent camera umbrella illuminates the light source by shooting parasols to create a wider, softer light. And the backdrop with 6 lamps. Awesome. 3 basic colors backgrounds are available: black, white, and green, and they are in the set. These are made of cotton fiber. The material, they are a good texture and have a sense of that. The size of the backgrounds are 1.8 meters to 2.8 meters. It can be washed by hand or machine. No problem. You can choose and you can make good shooting with this ESDDI lighting kit. It's adjustable and it comes with all what you need to make good photos or a good video production. And I like it. The green screen is really awesome, as you can see in that video. Thanks for watching. It's easy to attach. Okay, you have 2, 4, 6 tripods in this set. 6 tripods. 2 for the no 4 for 4 of the tripods are 2 for the umbrellas and 2 for the softbox, and 2 are made for the green screen. Attach them by using the tubes easily by docking in position, then get the green screen on top of it, clamp it with the clamps, and then you have a good and ready to shoot supported system at your home or at your work area. That's awesome. That's really easy to attach. As you can see, it's really easy to adjust, and then it makes awesome lighting and awesome screen because it is green. Haha. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.